When you're in Canva, you sometimes want to duplicate a page, and you want to do this quite quickly so that you have multiple pages, whether it's for a template that you're using and you just want to use it over and over again in the book or document, or whether you're creating a low content book and want to repeat the same page over and over again. Very quick to do. So I'm sitting in Canva and I've got my template here. Now this is for a medium content book where I am actually going to populate it myself. So I just wanted to have placeholders that I will replace the text and maybe a couple of headings here and there. So that's this page, and one way to do it is this duplicate page at the top. There we go. But also another way is in this grid view. So down in the bottom I have grid view, and this way if I have say two of the same, I can use my shift key. So you hold your shift key down and you can click on multiple pages and it selects, in this case, two in one go. I do have a duplicate over here as well, and then I can just shift click on the last and it duplicates this. Okay. Also, you can see in the more option in the drop down, duplicating the page is also Ctrl+D. So Ctrl+D will duplicate. So you can also use Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. So Ctrl+C copies, Ctrl+V pastes, and then you just keep adding more in. So, and that till you get however many pages you'd like. You can also do this with multiple pages. So sometimes I'll have an odd and even looking page and I just select the two of them and then it duplicates throughout. Okay, and you saw that it was also in the drop down as well. So lots of ways of duplicating. Let me know in the comments how you use the duplicate function within Canva, and if you found this video useful, please do click on that thumbs up, and if you have any suggestions for more videos, do put them in the comments. I do add them to my list and get to them eventually. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you want to watch more of my videos, do subscribe to the channel. Take care and have a fantastic day. Bye for now.